Hi everybody, I'm Davide and today I'm going to show you how to improve your employee onboarding process by leveraging the powerful automation software Zapier. So just stop wasting time collecting new employee information through Gmail and copy pasting manually to your Google Sheets and uploading manually to Google Drive. Everything can be automated and we're going to do it today by using 4 simple tools. Process Street, which is a software where we built a form. Then we have Gmail, Google Drive, and then everything is automated through Zapier. But let's go straight to the point and see how it works. So today we're gonna onboard Emily Johnson. Emily, so for the purpose of this video, I just started to fill this form, so all the information already filled. So some personal information about Emily. Then we add some role and department information here. So Emily is a sales manager and department sales. Manager is Michael Davis and she starts on 26th of June. Then we have some payroll information, so social security number and bank account. Some benefits enrollment, so we asked Emily if she wants to participate to the healthcare plan of the company or to the retirement savings plan, and she said yes to all of this. Then we asked her some technology requirements, so if she wanted an Apple MacBook Pro or Dell Precision, so she asked for a MacBook Pro 15 and she needs also a company phone. And finally we asked Emily for some important documents we need to onboard her, like the copy of the ID, and we upload it now. We have the ID. Then we upload the tax form. And we upload the signed employee agreement, employment agreement. All right. So let's imagine we are Emily. We have finished completing this form, and we complete the task. Immediately, we see the workflow run is completed. And what happens now? Basically, if we go on our inbox, we'll see that we received 2 emails. One is for me, is for Emily. So thank you, Emily, for completing the onboarding form. So, and the other one is just arrived, is an email for the HR department, which notifies the HR department that Emily Johnson has completed the form. So, and what about the documents? Well, the documents are automatically uploaded in my Drive in a folder called employee with the name of the employee just onboarded. And if we look inside, we find the different documents that Emily just uploaded, renamed with the name of the document and the name of the employee. If we have a look at the emails, the thank you email for Emily, we have some information inside, like your manager is Michael David, your job title is sales manager, and you receive a MacBook Pro. And this is an email to thank Emily, and we look forward to meeting her. While for the HR department, we have another email, which is the onboarding form completed. Say, hello HR department. A new employee has just completed the onboarding form, and we have like some information about Emily and also the folder ID of where we have stored her data. So how we did this? Okay, perfect. So let's start from Process Street. We built this workflow. So the workflow is an employee onboarding workflow, which is this one. And at the end, we added an automation, a Process Street automation. We can see here. So when a workflow run is completed, what happens? Basically, when a workflow run is completed with all the information, here we inserted all the field, a new record is added to a Process Street dataset. So here is we retain all the information about all the employees. Some employees have been created before, but the last one you can see is Emily. And we have all the information here. So when this dataset record is created, a Zapier workflow starts. So the trigger is the dataset record created in Process Street. So if we have a look here, we have connected our account. Then as a trigger, we decided to have a trigger, this dataset record created in Process Street. And the dataset will look at employee info, which is the dataset I showed you before. Now here, the second step is the thank you email for the employee. So it's a Gmail module we have added afterwards. We have connected, of course, our Gmail account, and the action here we have we take the field of the email address of the employee. In this case, it was Emily. From the HR email, the subject, we customize the subject based on the employee first name, and then we add the body where we add all the information about Emily, like the employee name, the manager, job title, etc. Then we create a Google Drive folder, and also here we take advantage of some information taken from Process Suite. So for example, we create a new folder with this labeling: employee first name and last name of the new employee. Then we upload the documents, upload employment agreement, and the action here is as a folder, we take the ID of the folder just created before, and the file, we just insert the Process Suite file field, and we rename the file as employment agreement, first name, last name. We do the same for the ID, and see here, action, so same folder ID, documents, and file name, and we do the same for the tax form. The action here is the same, so tax form, first name, last name. And finally, the last module is a Gmail module where we send HR email notification that a new employee has completed the form. So also here we take advantage of some information. So 2 is like the HR email from, well, for the purpose of this video, is the same email. Subject, onboarding for completed by first name, last name, and in the body we added some information. So yeah, that's it. I think this automation is really useful. It can save you a lot of time onboarding new employees. And if you like this new automation, please follow us on YouTube and follow me on LinkedIn. And I hope to see you soon, and keep you posted, because in the next days new automations will come. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye.